Oh, snap. Oh, a little better lighting there. Welcome back, everybody, to Holden Built. Good evening, wherever the heck you guys are. Hope you had a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year coming up. But yeah, today's agenda, I'm going to be hopefully fixing the clutch pedal issue in my first car, my first ever high school car. And this is a 1974 Datsun B210. This is a very rare year only specific. A13 in it, meaning oh my gosh, what in the 1300 cc's pure horsepower. It's got 89 head on it. It's a higher flow GX head, I'm pretty sure. Big round oval ports. And I also port and polish them just on the 3236 Weber downdraft on it. It also has a 5-speed dogleg transmission because this car used to be an automatic 3-speed, which was an absolute dog. It stunk. I'm gonna stop rambling and just get to work. So one day, I warmed her up in the morning. It was a little chilly out, This was about 2 weeks ago. I was just banging through gears. I mean, old people were looking at me. They were like, what is this kid's problem? It was a little wet out, so I was spinning tires. I got to a stoplight and clutch in to go, and it did not feel right at all. Like, the clutch pedal had sunk. So I don't know if I totally murdered the master cylinder to the clutch or murdered the slave cylinder on the side of the transmission, or I just completely mucked up something on the clutch pedal assembly. This is a aftermarket cheapo Willwood wannabe from eBay that I bought about four or 5 years ago. Then I did myself, and back then I wasn't too knowledgeable on cars. Plus I didn't have a wonderful workshop to work in. So this was a fire ant mounted mechanic Isaiah 4 years ago, and I just wanted to get it done. It's not my best work. It looks absolutely terrible in there. And we're gonna try to fix that today. Sorry for this monstrosity. I just realized how bad it looks. Man, this stinks. I'm gonna need a break. I found the problem. It's my janky fire ant mounted mechanics that I did a little bit ago of these two 90-degree washers that I bent to be flat and straight. Have essentially collapsed, causing it to have a rough angle right there. Yeah, so we're gonna fix that. I'm pretty sure that's the problem. So one of the problems is that this is just wallered out from wear and tear. It's been like 4-ish years. I did this terrible crap, and obviously this is not going to work as a average standpoint, whatever you want. I don't know what I'm saying here. Physics, So basically it was this, right? And this, to extend it just a little bit more to make like a fulcrum point or whatever you want to call it, in order to get just a little bit more higher, because this is a cheesy. What happened is I was banging gears too much, and these shifted up because they're two individual pieces, and also these bolts are complete crap in the wrong size. It shifted up almost like this, making the distance all the way back here again almost, and that's not ideal. Banging gears in a high horsepower car. Well, I don't have any welding gear. All right, here is the dilemma, okay? And I found another one like this. I'm pretty sure it was for a brake booster or some other master cylinder thingy, but it screws right on, exact threads, and it's probably a 1/4 inch, like hole wise, it's a 1/4 inch further out. So winner chicken dinner for me. I just need to make some sort of bushing, plastic, rubber, heck, even wood, that can go into that hole right there on this pedal assembly. That thing is pretty darn sloppy, so I think I got it. And one of the main reasons why it was binding is because I'm pretty sure I tightened this one bolt. So that bolt right there, that was way too tight, and it caused it to bind, and obviously that needs to move freely in order for like the leverage and stuff to work. But one of my Jaguar XK, I replaced this emissions, you know, some sort of PC valve look-alike thing. I just cut off a piece of plastic, hard plastic hose off of that, knocked her in that hole on the pedal. She's cherry, and yeah, I think we're gonna get it out of the shop here. Again, she hasn't ran in a few weeks, so she's gonna take a little bit, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, baby. Again, we're trying not to smoke out. Oh, almost took out that cart. Almost. Watch out for Henry the shop cat, too. Okay. Keys, got my phone, wallet. Laughing Jesus. There you go. My man, my man. The clutch feels 100% better, by the way. But we're just gonna. I know those people. They came into the shop one time, but I'm pretty sure it has a Subaru boxer motor in it, which is super neat. This is not a car that you shift fast in, no matter what. You can get your quick 1-2s in there, but anything other than that, I would not test it. Temperature now. This car has such great heat. Man, it is good. Love this car, dudes. Oh man. Ooh, I think that does it. A little more. And again, this is just, you know, just slop, but yeah. She's back out better than ever. Thank you guys for watching and supporting, getting those views up. I really appreciate it. Every little thing helps, so if you could subscribe, like, comment. I'll be sure to get back to you if you comment or follow me, you know, if you guys do cool. And yeah, check me out on Instagram at Isaiah Holden 3. That is where I do like daily uploads and just bits and bobs of things. But thank you guys for watching. Hope you learned a little something. Again, some of this little stuff applies to you guys, some of it doesn't, but I had fun. Hopefully you had fun watching it. So thank you. We'll see you again. Bye-bye.